Yes, Sirski. Hey, man, what's happening? Hey, before the, you already know what it is. Steph Curry, bro. I did like 3 of them joints. 2K25, boys, Steph Curry. Woo. Hey, but 2K26, Steph Curry, man. I'm only doing one. I might just only do one. Hey, but you know what it is. It's Steph Curry, though. Hey, let's get to the video. 2K26 Steph Curry face creation is dropping, bro. It's done drop, bro. It's done drop. It's here. 2K26, you know what I'm saying? We out here. Steph Curry, man. Chef Curry, man. You already know what it is. Let's get to the video, man. I ain't gonna hold. Yes, sir. Hey, the chef, bro. Hey, Steph Curry in the building, bro. Yes, sir. Hey, you see it. Hey, please don't tell me. Please don't tell me. I couldn't find the Under Armours, bro. I don't know why. I looked everywhere, but I couldn't find I'm gonna try to take the camera off the shoes, but hey, but don't look at the shoes. But yes, Steph Curry in the building, man. Steph Curry, man. Hey, yes, sir. Hey, I love it. Hey, yes, Steph Curry, man. We got Curry in the building, bro. Curry in the building. You already know what it is. Get some shots up. I was like, 2K, what's happening? You know what I'm saying? We here, man. We here. I ain't gonna look. Hey, we here, bro. We in the building, man. Hey. Shot. Okay. Let's go. Ooh, hey, that shot's so smooth, bro. Hey. It's a plus in my book. Hey, let's get to face creation, bro. Yes, sir. Hey, back to the face creation at hand. Hey, you already know what it is. Hey, this the face I'm gonna use for Steph Curry, man. I try some faces. I'm gonna look at this one though. Yeah, I'm doing this face right here. Yeah. Let's get in. You know what I'm saying? Underneath this cat right here. Next to this dude right here, all the way to the corner. This the face I'm gonna use for Steph, man. Let's go, man. You already know what it is, bro. Hey, I ain't gonna hold you. We're gonna get right into it. Yes, sir. Details. You see, just take a look at the details. We here. We are here in the building. Hey, yes sir, Steph Curry in the building, you know what I'm saying? Hey, it look like I'm in the game too. You see him already shooting? Yeah. Hey, I ain't gonna hold you. Let's get in. Alright, for the hair, you know what I'm saying? Do crop 6. Nothing else needed on that one. Make it brown. No texture. We Gucci right there, that's fine. Keep it breezy. Skull 5. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do 11, 17, and 10. That's something right there, about out. Brow default, we can do 16, 20, 12, and 9. We do like that. Eyebrows, we can do eyebrows 3, keep them thin looking. So we'll go, I don't know, what is that? Light, medium, blind, or something like that. What we gonna do is we gonna go over here, over, down, whatever that is, medium, blind, whatever that is, that one right there for the brow, right there. Next to this color right here, this color, I think it's medium blonde or, yeah, whatever color that is, blonde. We doing that right there. Bam, that's the color we're doing right there for the eyebrows. Right there. And it's eyebrows 3. Ears, we can do ears 5 like last year. 10, 11, 15, and 16. Side view. Yes, sir? Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Eyes, you know what I'm saying? Got them innocent eyes, niggas look like a kid, you know, he old. So you can go default, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do, what color is that? Hazel, green, or whatever. You know what I'm saying? We're going to do, you know what I'm saying, keep going right here. Matter of fact, you can make any kind of color you want for your Steph Curry, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to do right here, next to this one. Bam! That one right there, Or that one is good too, though. Hold on, this one might be good too, though. This color right here might be good for Steph. But I might just ride this color right here, though. Hold on. I might, Curry. I might go ahead and just ride that. I might just Forget it. I'm rocking that. I don't care. 14, 17, 1, none, 20, and 20, and 0. So we got 14, 17, 1, none, 20, 20, and 0. And it's default for the eyes. Nose, we go nose 22 like last year. 19, 4, 11, 2, 6, 5. So we got 19, 4, 11, 2, 6, 5. Side view, yes sir? Yes sir, you gotta get the nose right, you know what I'm saying? Cheeks, we're gonna do cheeks 3. We're gonna do 20 and 13. That's good enough right there. We Gucci. Mouth, we're gonna do mouth 10. We're gonna do 14, 19, 4, 20, 20, and 20. So we got 14, 19, 4, 20, 20, 20. That's all we got right there for the mouth. Skip the teeth. Facial hair, you know what it is. We're gonna do beard style 7 and stubble 2. And we'll do that, like, I want to say light brown for the facial hair color right there, that color right there. Chin, we'll do default. We'll do 0, 20, 14, 8, and 5. That's what we'll do right there, down, down. Skin complexion, we're gonna do skin 15. Are you kidding? I mean, you can try that one if you want. Skin 16 ain't bad. Hey, skin 16 ain't bad. Hold up. Hold up. Dang. I do like that one too, though. It's up to y'all. Skin 16 is nice, bro. Hold up. I might. I don't know. Skin 16 ain't too fucking too. Hold up. We're gonna do skin 16. Yeah, we gonna switch that up. We're gonna do skin 16. Yep. Skin 16. Yep. We're gonna switch up. Skin 16. Skin 16 on that one. Make sure y'all get that. We gonna go with skin 16. Alright, we're skin 16. You know what I'm saying? We done. I'm saving it. Skin 16. Skin 16. I'm saving it. We done right here, man. You know what I'm saying? We done. Steph Curry, bro. Steph Curry. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's get a close up. Look on him. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's 16. Yeah. That's gonna be the skin right there. That's gonna be the skin. All right. Now I'm saying I ain't gonna hold you. Dang, I should. Yeah. We here. Definitely here. Yeah, for Steph, we'll go skin 16. Skin 16. But yeah, NBA 2K, Steph Curry. You know what I'm saying? NBA 2K, Steph Curry. We here in the building. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, take them to the rec, put some Warriors gear on them, take it to the streets, take out the new park. The shooting is crazy on this game. If you can shoot, it's all good. It's green. Hey, I'm loving it. It's smooth. And that's Curry right there. That's Curry right there. You know what I'm saying? That's Curry. Yes. That's Curry right there. Yeah. We out here. We go. Yeah. That's Curry. Yeah, I had the wrong skin on that joint. But yeah, we good. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, bangers on the way. Let's get it, man. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I'm definitely changing that.